Hello everyone, my name is Tala Shihab. I'm currently a student at the University of Utah studying health and kinesiology. For this assignment in Writing 3012, I'll be walking through the rhetorical analysis of the kinesiology discourse community and how this field communicates with the expression of writing. Let's first begin by defining this community. The kinesiology discourse community is commonly understood as a major that is offered among many universities. This community is also commonly referred to as exercise science, health science, and the like. This field focuses on the study of human body movement, and what's neat about this field is that it's an applied science that incorporates a number of sciences to overall promote community health. The main component of this community in terms of rhetoric can be understood by the use of research, as research allows for the community to develop and to grow by adding on to previous knowledge to build an understanding of the field. So how is writing used in this discourse community? To understand and to help better answer this question, I'll be referring to 3 academically reviewed articles, which include The Research of Health Behaviors in Childhood Cognition and Brain Health, published by Hillman in 2015, The Combination of Cardiorespiratory Fitness and Muscle Strength in Mortality Risk, published by Kim in 2018, and finally Strength Beyond Strength, Participant Perspectives on the Benefits of an Older Adult Exercise Program, published by Cohen in 2016. There are 3 main components that can enable a better understanding. These components include organizational content, research, and stylistic language. In terms of organizational content, the structure of the article is fairly consistent among all research articles. Most, if not all, articles include an abstract section. This section allows for readers and audience members to briefly understand the general goals and results of the research paper to see whether or not the article is of interest. Another main element of the structure of the article is the keywords section. This section is either presented before the abstract or after. However, the main purpose of the keywords section is to briefly introduce the main topics illustrated in the rest of the paper. This also helps researchers or just members of the community to see whether or not the topic fits their curiosity. The example provided to the right is pulled from Beyond Strength Participant Perspectives on the Benefits of an Older Adult Exercise Program, again published by Cohen in 2016. This is to show how this author includes both an abstract and keyword section similar to other academic papers in the discourse community. The general format and layout of the rest of the paper is also fairly consistent with other research articles published in this discourse community. There are bolded headings at the beginning of each shift in topic. For example, you can see this with the methods section, the results section, and the discussion section. In addition to the general formatting of these academic papers is the explicit use of ethos to further convey and establish credibility. This example is pulled from The Combination of Cardiorespiratory Fitness and Muscle Strength in Mortality Risk, published by Kim in 2018. The author added the preferred contact information along with places of education towards the bottom of the first page. Adding this information allows readers to directly assess a form of credibility the author contributed without manually searching the author on the internet. Research is such a critical part of community growth. The reason why is because research builds off of previous knowledge. Science has come such a long way because of the understanding of the field and its continuity for its growth, and it's still growing to this day. Furthermore, the use of logos and ethos are methods of introducing credibility. Displaying correct information adds to the logic of the argument to further sharpen logos. On the other hand, adding accurate resources and references demonstrate the use of ethos as it allows audience members to analyze the credibility on their own. Credibility is also established by the use and the citation of sources. Establishing credibility is essential for researchers because of the need to protect the reputation of their name, as well as the organization that they are associated with. It is also crucial to always promote reliable information to the community. And finally, the use of stylistic language is a key component in understanding the rhetorical language of this discourse community. An overarching theme in science is the need in eliminating bias. This makes it difficult to convey emotions in writing, as it risks incorporating bias into the understanding of the evidence in research. Commonly, the approach to minimizing bias is letting data speak for itself. This way, personal views can't interfere with the study or the experiment. The use of a third person also reinforces disconnect from personal and data, which makes it difficult to analyze the pathos utilized in the kinesiology discourse community. However, an example of third person is demonstrated by Cohen and Beyond Strength participant perspectives on the benefits of an older adult exercise program, again published in 2015. This states that a way literature is being contributed in the study is that it provides depth and context to benefits of and motivators to physical activity in older adults. Here it can be seen that the direct use of it implies the use of third person. Overall, the rhetorical analysis of the kinesiology discourse community can be recognized by the promotion of credible and accurate information to help build understanding within the community. A large component to ensure the use of credible sources is eliminating bias, which can often mean minimizing personal views to allow room for data to speak for itself. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a great day.